So friends, join me in excitement in trading in the share market with X factor in moving average. That will give you tons of money. Friends, before actually I go further, I am sure you must have seen part 1 of the video, that is 439. Part 1 you have seen. Now we are coming to part 2 of the video 439. Friends, we have already seen that in share market nothing is possible without moving average. No trading is possible because I have seen all the indicators. Today there are almost about 168 indicators are there for trading in the share market, and all the indicators you find they are made up of either the price volatility, price of the share, volume of the share, volatility of the share, and the moving averages. There is nothing beyond it. And believe me, if you want to succeed in the share market, then moving average is the most important single indicator in the share market. Why? Because moving average, friends, is always right. It gives very correct buy signal and subscribe signals. Before I go further, friends, I just want to ask you, have you subscribed to my channel? If you are new, please subscribe. If you like the video, please download the video and press like button, and please do not forget to press the bell button also together. We have discussed in our earlier videos in moving averages strategies. Can you tell me which is the single most important thing when we talk of the moving averages? Can you guess what did I talk? It is mentioned nowhere, but it is of the paramount importance. And the only thing that you have to know in the share market is one and only thing is the slope of the moving average. Have you ever heard anybody talking about the slope? Nobody talks about the slope. Whereas it is the heart of the moving average. I don't want to criticize anybody for it. Well, I have observed, therefore I am telling. So friends, let us move ahead and oversimplify the trading method in the with the help of moving average. First of all, let me show you here that it is video 439 part 2, and whatever we are doing here on the daily charts. Okay friends, this red line is a moving average of 5, and the blue line actually is the price line, that is price of the share. And friends, this is on daily charts and on line chart. Line chart means we have candlestick chart and we have line chart. Now see the condition. Our condition is that share must be in the uptrend. You understand? There are 3 trends: uptrend, flat, downtrend. Share must be in the uptrend. Share must be strong and having the volatility. Volatility means that each day it must have say approximately plus 2% volatility, right? So that is our very small condition. Basically it should be in the uptrend. Now if you see here friends, you can see here the red actually is the moving average of 5 on daily chart, and we see here the trend. What is the trend here friends? Trend is up, right? No issues on that. Whenever there is a cross between the price line and the moving average of 5, you buy, and whenever it is sell, you and whenever the cross is at the top, you sell. anything can be more simpler on this. And this I have taken, on charting.com, which is a free website of National Stock Exchange. You can take it on TradingView or whatever what I say is software you have. Fine. I have taken for the purpose of explaining in charting.com, which I have been using for a very long time. So, uptrend, lower cross you buy, upper cross you sell. Again, what has happened is here, the moving average actually has, first of all, the price fell and the moving average also started falling, but before that we have exited at the top. Again there is a cross here, we have purchased and again we have sold, and we are in the selling, so we are not doing any buying or any selling. Why we have not taken any position here? Because the moving average is flat. Our condition is moving average should be in the up direction. Because it is flat, we are not taking, number one. And secondly, if you see your wristwatch, it should be making, both these must be making at least 10 minutes past 10. What is this? This is 10:14, so we will not enter. So simple. Always remember the slope. As the momentum actually will decrease, the moving average and price will fall down, fall down, fall down, fall down, and there will be a cross. You can back check any time. Here if you see, what has happened is the cross is given, fine, we have sold, again we have re-entered here, and you see the slope actually is up, but still we have come out as a discipline. First thing is, you see, your earnings are proportional to your discipline. I must tell you this thing very clearly. Your earnings are proportional. The more you are disciplined, more you will earn. Here it is only 10 rupees going. But if it has fallen, then what would have happened is, you would have been in loss. So give 10 rupees, re-enter. 10 rupees buying, 10 rupees selling with the discounted brokers. Now friends, we see with two moving averages. The season is changing, therefore I am also coughing, just bear with me for some time. Here friends, on daily charts, we have taken moving average 5 and moving average 10. You can see here charts which I have taken is daily charts and closing price. So the closing price is this, fine. And let us now go ahead. Again it has given a cross here, we have purchased, and here it did not there was no cross here, and cross was here, so we have sold. Again there is a cross, we have purchased, again there is a cross, we have sold. So simple, there is no difference. You use one line, use one line, one moving average. You want to use two moving average, you use two moving average. With one moving average, the cross will be between the price and the moving average. With two moving average, two moving average, the cross will be between two moving averages. Fine. Friends, the whole point here is that you must have a system. Don't go on changing your system. You can have your own system also, but don't go on changing system with everything, but your system must be paying. This is my system which I have been having for a very long time. Now, let us go and see with the three moving averages. Right? Now friends, I tell you, some of the people, they have given even 5 what I say is trends. Uptrend, flat trend, downtrend, I do not know what kind of trends. It is unnecessary complicating, the whole business. And as I said, nothing is possible in the share market without moving average, because moving average trends are always right. Moving averages are basically based on the past data. Therefore, they are right. Say, for example, tomorrow if you have earned 10,000 rupees, I cannot change it because you have already earned. Simply in moving averages, because it has achieved a price, you can't change it today. It is not a forecasting, but it is what has happened. Therefore, moving average is always right in all the 168 indicators so far. Anyway, let us go ahead and now talk of 3 indicators. What to do? Very simple, friends. This is the 3 indicator we have taken. Here you see the price line. This is no, this is oh sorry, I'm sorry, this is let me just change it. This is moving average of 5, red one is moving average of 10, and here we have is the moving average of 40. Moving average of 40 is not for trading, it is only for the purpose of reference. You see the moving average here, it is continuing uptrend, 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 and everything has cut now. It has become flat, and you see the moving average below 40 is down. All the price, everything is down. Again it has picked up here, and see it is going. So moving average of 40 is only the X factor here, which is the reference line. Otherwise, our buying and selling will continue to be in 5 and 10 only, as we have seen in the earlier, as we have seen here. Fine. So our basic thing is that moving average of, either you use moving average, single moving average of 5, or you take 2 moving averages of 5 and 10, or you take third moving average of 40, just to give you the reference whether the up direction in the share is coming down. So this is all about the moving averages. And friends, my own opinion is that whether you use single moving average or you move a double moving average, fine, just keep one thing which is very standard with you permanently, you will make the money. Now coming back to the moving average of 40, this I have heard in the, I have read in the various research papers of moving averages, that some people take 40, some people take 44. They are the reference lines for now, but not meant for any trading. Now it is up to you what you choose. I have told you my success with 5 and 10 was very great. In my subsequent video, I will tell you a bombshell strategy which will give you immense rest, immense money, and I hope so the next X factor in moving averages which you will get, you will find the money is enormous. That is the tons and tons of money. Even here also there is tons of money, I am not denying it. But there it is a real bombshell strategy. So friends, remain with me and let us see what best we can learn out of it. But choice is yours and yours alone, because money is yours. Thank you very much. Thumbs up to you and remain in the share market. Thank you.